All right, guys, this is going to be a little bit different of a video. Hey, don't laugh. He's going to be pissed. Well, this is going to be a little bit different of a video. So, in our previous videos, we actually did like a lot of riding and less explaining. We're going to do a lot of explaining today on this unit. We're going to do some, what are those called? Bearings. And then the PW140, we're going to do some other stuff. But yeah, we're just going to hop right into it. So guys, kind of messed up my thumb here. Electrical tape and some paper towel. Owen's working there. Trying to get this wheel back on. This wheel bearing over here, if you can't tell, kind of popped out of place, and we're trying to rig it up there with the spacer, and there's just a lot of stuff going on. This is the night before the riding, so this will all be in one video. But yeah, we're just getting my new dirt bike in there, trying to get it ready. The 125 right here. What? That's 125.
Oh, my bad. I thought you were literally talking about that.
So this is a PW80 right here. But funny thing is, they swapped it with a 140. So technically it's a PW 140.
Yeah, so check that out.
Yeah, so check it out on Will's channel. I'll put his description in there. He has a whole bunch of stuff with all these units. That's a Harley right there. So yeah, we're just working on all these units for the night, trying to get everything ready for tomorrow. And yeah. So we got more units in here. We got a 3-wheeler. This is finally put back together. Got spacer in there. We got everything hooked up. We're just tightening up these tensioner pieces, and we got that all put together. So yeah, we're on to the next. Probably the next couple films will probably be out in the field or something like that. But other than that, we got everything ordered. Hey Harley, what time is it?
It's about 8:57.
We started what, 6?
Yeah.
5:45, somewhere in there. So we got all these units running. Corey, what time is it?
12:47.
It is 12:47. As you can tell, we are pretty much goosed out here. Goosed out, that's the new one. We got that far on the motor, or mower, whatever it's called. Just real tired. Just real tired. Kind of lost motivation, but we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units running in the span of 4 hours. Everything was broke. We fixed every single one of them, and now we're ready for tomorrow. So next clip will be at my house in the morning.